Laiba and I am founder of Inkit.pk. I have started this series where I will be reviewing product from my shop for the next 30 days. This is day 1. Let's pick our first product. Everything is so cute. I can't decide what product to choose first. Maybe these pouches or these notebooks. What about these? Let's choose this one. Okay, so let's start with the review. I love these notebook. The colors are so vibrant. The gold foil detailing, it's absolutely pretty. This notebook has 160 pages and it is in A4 size. If you're school going or university going, I think this notebook is for you. It also has a little pen holder in which you can add your pen so they don't get lost. Overall, the notebook is very smooth and has a nice finish. You can also buy this notebook from our shop. Just head over to our website www.inkit.pk and you can get this for yourself. I will rate this notebook 9.5 out of 10. What do you think? Bye bye, love you. See you in the next video.